Aloha folks, thank you for joining me today. I'm Steve with Maui Travel Videos. Hey, this is a Thai restaurant out of the way in the middle of nowhere. Actually, it's in Paia Town, but it's kind of off the beaten path. It is called Thai Spice. Man, let me tell you, this is excellent food. If you're in Paia Town and you're looking for some Thai food, or even if you want to drive over and have lunch, this is the place to be.
Okay, I'm gonna have shrimp fried rice, and we're gonna order a pad thai.
Hey, thanks for joining me today. I've got to sit down. I did some serious eating. We had some chicken pad thai, some crispy fried chicken that was excellent, and some shrimp fried rice. Plenty of food. We've got all kinds of takeout orders. Hey, like always, folks, you don't want to miss anything I'm doing, especially if you love Maui, like I love Maui, and you're interested in everything going on. Make sure you subscribe over here, leave some comments below, hit the like button, ring that bell, and I can't wait to see you next time.